SUNY Downstate resuming elective surgeries as more of its staff is complying with the state's vaccine mandate for healthcare workers. The hospital had adjusted its schedule by canceling or delaying certain procedures in anticipation of staffing shortages. Jessica Formoso is live outside the medical center in East Flatbush with the update. Jessica.
Steve, that's right. The vaccine mandate went into effect earlier this week, and SUNY Downstate Medical Center is one of the hospitals facing shortages. Like you said, they actually had to cut back on services like elective C-sections and inductions. But as of today, everything is back to normal, and that is because officials say that more employees have gotten vaccinated in the last 24 hours. The number of unvaccinated staff members at SUNY Downstate Medical Center keeps on changing. Yesterday, 221 were unvaccinated and not in compliance with the state mandate. 172 individuals were facing disciplinary action. But in the last 24 hours, it seems like the mandate is working. Hospital employees have had a change of heart. Over 100 of those unvaccinated have now received their first dose, which leaves 116 still unvaccinated and 106 pending disciplinary action. We are told many of those still unvaccinated have indicated they will get a shot. Dawn Walker, a spokesperson for the hospital, tells us no one has been terminated yet, and that's because the termination process is a lengthy one. Walker went on to say, quote, in preparation for anticipated staff reductions, SUNY Downstate had adjusted its surgical schedule, delayed outpatient radiology appointments, canceled elective C-sections or inductions, and consolidated Bay Ridge OR operations to the main OR at University Hospital of Brooklyn. However, as more of our employees have come into compliance, we have fully resumed these services. Outside of the hospital this evening, patients say service inside is as usual.
Nothing haven't changed. Everything is the same. They're not short staff. My mother getting the treatment that she's supposed to get, as far as I know. I didn't notice any shortage of staff or anything, any concern.
Steve, these numbers are fluid, and hospital officials anticipate that more employees will come into compliance, even those who are already facing disciplinary action. We are live in Brooklyn tonight. I'm Jessica Formoso, Fox 5 News. Steve, back to you inside.